caramelized, fluffy, and tender. Today we're making the easiest cinnamon rolls at home. These rolls are full of flavor and most importantly, the dough is without eggs. Yalla, grab your apron and let's go into the kitchen. In a bowl, put 3½ cups of sifted flour, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix all the ingredients very well. Now add 1/4 cup of butter at room temperature, it should be soft. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and to substitute the eggs we will use yogurt. We call it in Lebanon laban. We will add 3 tablespoons of yogurt, it should be at room temperature. Add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of warm milk. Now start kneading the dough for 10 minutes. If you're kneading with your hands, knead between 10 and 15 minutes. At the end of the kneading process, add flour as needed. You might need a few tablespoons, it depends on your type of flour. The dough should be elastic and very tender like this. Put the dough in a greased bowl and cover it until it doubles in size. It might take between 1 and 2 hours. After 1½ hours, it's ready. With your hands, remove all the air trapped in the dough. To make the stuffing, in a bowl, add 1 cup of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. A pinch of salt makes the flavor stronger. Half a teaspoon of vanilla sugar and mix all the ingredients together. Now you're ready to roll the dough into a rectangle. I rolled it into a rectangle measuring 35 by 50 centimeters. Now add half a cup of butter to the sugar-cinnamon mixture. The butter should be soft to make it easier to spread. Make your butter softer than mine because I'm focusing on the video I'm shooting and the butter got a little bit thick. It's fine for me, but to make it easier for you. Spread the mixture evenly on the dough and leave one end empty in order to close the roll. Also, I didn't put that much on the sides because we will cut it later. Start rolling the dough from the opposite side towards you. Roll it, stretch it a little bit, then roll it again. This method will help you to have tight rolls without any empty space in them. Make sure you close the ends very well. Cut the sides of the roll and start marking equal-sized pieces. Use a very sharp knife in order to cut it easily. Put it on a parchment paper and cover it until it doubles in size. Now let's make the frosting. Put 1 cup of powdered sugar, 100 grams of cream cheese, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 4 tablespoons of milk. Now mix it very well until you have a smooth texture like this. Now the cinnamon rolls are ready to be baked. Put them in a preheated oven on 180 degrees Celsius. In the middle rack, the heat from the bottom for 15 to 20 minutes. And of course, I didn't throw the sides, and with extra 2 pieces will go later in the oven. Finally, our rolls are ready. The smell in the kitchen is amazing. Wait 10 minutes, then put the frosting on the rolls. If you want the frosting thicker, reduce the amount of milk. But this texture is amazing, it makes the rolls very soft from the top. Serve it while it's warm and enjoy these amazing cinnamon rolls. I don't have to talk very much about the dough, it's obvious how it's very tender and how it's very fluffy. I'm very excited for you to try it and don't forget to tell me your opinion. صحتين وهنا.